In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive hamburger menu in Dreamweaver. We'll start by setting up a clean HTML structure inside the body where you want your navigation to appear. Create a header with the class header_nav. Inside it, add a simple logo container, then a nav element that holds an unordered list with your links like home, about, services, and contact. After the nav, include a small hamburger button. It's just a div with the class hamburger and the ID hamburger btn, and inside it, add 3 span elements. Those 3 spans are the bars of the icon. Keep the order exactly like that: logo, nav with the list, then the hamburger button, so that the layout aligns correctly when we style it. Next, let's style it with CSS. Give the header a flex layout so everything sits on one line, centered vertically, with space between the logo and the nav. A dark background and some padding will make it look polished. Style the list to display horizontally with some gap between links, and set the link color to white with no underlines so it's readable over the dark header. For the hamburger, set it to be hidden by default on large screens, stack its bars vertically using flex, add a small gap, and give each span a fixed width and height with a white background. That creates the classic 3-bar icon. Now add a media query for screens at 768 pixels wide and below. Inside it, hide the nav list by default, switch it to a vertical layout that can stretch full width, and give it a slightly different background so it stands out when opened. Also, make the hamburger icon visible at this size. That's the key to switching from a desktop menu to a mobile menu. To make the menu open and close, add a small script right before the closing body tag. Grab the hamburger button by its ID and the nav list by its class. Then attach a click event that toggles a class called active on the list. On mobile, that active class is what reveals the menu. If you click and nothing shows, double-check that your mobile CSS includes a style that displays the list when active. Preview your page in Dreamweaver's live view or in a browser. On desktop, you should see the full menu and no hamburger. As you shrink the window below 768 pixels, the links hide, the hamburger appears, and tapping it should toggle the menu open and closed. That's it. A clean, responsive hamburger menu ready for your site.